Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't done an unboxing in a while, so for all of you loyal viewers who were clamoring for another one, it's your lucky day because I'm going to be unboxing this Magic the Gathering box. And is Erwin in frame?
Now he is.
And now you get to see Erwin too, he wants to help. Alright, so this is my first time unboxing, so you guys will get to follow along with me. Alright. Why am I having so much trouble getting this out? It's so embarrassing. Alright, don't know what that is. Oh my gosh. Alright, there we go. Alright guys, there it is. Erwin, what do you think? Oh. Very nice. Foil? Yeah, very cool. Should I see this thing first?
I think that's the box that it goes in, the deck box.
Okay. I'll wait for that. Okay, so I guess we'll just, we'll crack into this. If I can. Please, don't judge my poor opening abilities. Alright. I guess, I'm not one of those people who knows all of the different things, so we're just gonna go through it all.
Talk about your deck theme. Like why you picked this?
Yeah. So I picked this one because it's like a Nordic theme, and I'm currently I'm writing my master's thesis on a Danish artist. I've been to Denmark twice. I love the Arctic, and I'm just like sort of obsessed with all things Nordic and Scandinavian and Arctic at the moment. So this seemed like a cool, like look at that one, little Viking ship. So this seemed like a cool option for me. Look at that little guy, dwarf peasant. That one's crazy. Some of these look like very, some of the art looks very romantic, like J.M.W. Turner or William Blake. That one looks a little Blake. That one's very intense. Valkyrie, that's also sort of like romantic, I think of. But yeah, I am a newbie, I would say, to Magic the Gathering. I'm learning a lot from my boyfriend, who in turn also is newer but knows more than me, and so we've been sort of learning together. He's, I would say, more knowledgeable at this point though than I am, but it's fun. It's very interesting, very different from anything. Oh, we've watched a few videos with Post Malone, and I think he used this one, so I know that from the videos.
It's good if you can pull one early game.
Yeah. Alright, I like that one a lot too. Pretty good. Yeah. Alright. If you guys have a favorite that I've gotten so far, yeah. Make sure to comment down below. Let me know. Okay. Oh, here's all the lands. All the planes. So many. So many planes. Oh,
wow.
An island. Going on an Alaska cruise later this year, and really hoping to see those northern lights. We're going in October, so I've heard that there's a chance. I'm not sure if we'll be far enough north, but you never know. But yeah, that very cool one, very cool card. I think if I saw the Northern Lights, that would probably be like speaking of like romantic things, that would be probably like the closest to a sublime experience that I've ever had. So that would be pretty amazing. Oh my gosh, there's so many. I'm gonna lose track of my hand. Behold the multiverse. Very topical.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's very interesting. That like 3-tiered one. Very interesting. Little owl. I like that one a lot. Snow artifact. It's very nice. Ooh, that one also is really cool. Wow. Glacial floodplain. Oh man, that looks so cool. Looks so much like Greenland.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, that
Those
thing
are
is
some
pretty
tokens.
crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. Spirit. Oh, Pegasus. And almost at the end here. Oh, another spirit out of order. And 2 soldiers, and then the format. All right. And then this guy. Remember him right at the front too.
Yeah.
To cap it off. All right, so there's that. Probably a relatively short video, but you know, I hope it served its purpose. I hope you guys get some enjoyment out of this. If you did, give me a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.